Hi, my name is Alicja Staskiewicz, and I am working in thermal and non-thermal technologies here at Camden BRI. Today, I would like to tell you about the pulse electric field technology. PEF works by applying short, high-voltage pulses of electricity to create small pores in organism cells. Punching holes in cells improves efficiency, quality, and yield in extraction processes, improves cutting and slicing, freeze-drying, brining, and grain steeping. PEF can also be used as a non-thermal food preservation technology, as it inactivates microorganisms. The application of PEF is easy and straightforward. The product is immersed in a conductive material that is in between two electrodes. It is fast and clean, and can be applied as a batch process or a continuous flow liquid processing. In the snack industry, PEF use is already well established to soften potatoes, which reduces the cutting force needed to slice them, and therefore reducing the wear on cutting blades. The technology also decreases the number of product breakages, reduces oil uptake during frying, and reduces the amount of preheating needed. We have recently observed some fantastic results from PEF-treated barley grains, which had faster water uptake and therefore shorter steeping time in malting process. As well as improved grape extraction, we have also seen that PEF can deliver faster yeast breakdown and therefore better control over wine fermentation. We can support businesses in exploring both existing and emerging applications of PEF for their product application. Camden BRI is working in partnership with Food Physics so that we have a PEF system available on sites for trials and testing. Get in touch if you would like to know more about this fantastic technology and to see what potential benefits it could bring to your business.